है इंदू ब्रॉडकास्टिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और आप देख रहे हैं इंडियन न्यूज, हर पल, हर क्षण, हर सच।
नवनिर्तमान आरबीआई गवर्नर शक्तिकांत दास ने कहा कि पिछले 6 वर्षों में लिए गए सभी निर्णयों में एक परामर्शात्मक दृष्टिकोण अपनाया गया है। उन्होंने ये भी बताया कि कई मामलों में हिताधिकारों के साथ बैठक की गई और चर्चा पत्र जारी किए गए।
I took over as the RBI governor. You would be aware that we have adopted we have been holding wide-ranging consultations on many issues. In fact, the consultative approach behind regulation, behind all decisions that we have taken in the last 6 years, the consultative approach is very much evident. In many cases, we hold face-to-face direct meetings with the stakeholders or their associations. In many cases, we release a discussion paper or a draft circular, get the comments of all the stakeholders, and then move forward. In fact, the same approach was followed with regard to the Regulation Review Authority, the RRA 2.0, where we formed the authority was within the Reserve Bank, but we formed a group of experts to advise the regulatory, the Regulation Review Authority within the RBI. So we have followed the consultative approach, and the teamwork in the Reserve Bank was perhaps, in my experience, I can say, I cannot talk about earlier days. It was perhaps, at a very high level. I got excellent cooperation from each and every member of the RBI team. Each of my colleagues, they did their best during the trying times of COVID.
न्यू वीडियोस की अपडेट पाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें इंडियन न्यूज को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं।